I think I'm gonna back in because the fire pit's right here. I want the back facing this way, so everything's kind of over this way. All right, that's gonna have to do because honestly, this place is just not level, but I think that's decent. We're gonna make a fire. We got plenty of firewood. This is just what we brought, these 3 big logs. And I mean, there's tons around here. Last time I went camping, we didn't really have any big pieces of wood, so we kept having to feed the fire. Hopefully these last us a little longer than last time. Of course, Caden is here. We're gonna be doing a little truck camping tonight. Fall time truck camping. It's October 1st, so we're gonna have a good fall little truck camping video. We got some stuff.
We got some stuff planned. Stay tuned for that. Get this wood cut up.
Since it's October 1st, we're getting festive. I got my little Yeti 200. Boom. Festive. If you thought that this was the only festivity that we're doing, you're wrong. We're carving pumpkins. You got some LaCroix. This is actually my first time ever having sparkling water, or, well, flavored sparkling water. It's alright. I'd probably buy it again. Alright, we got trash bag for the guts, kniffs, aka knives, and then hand wipes so we get all the grossness off of our hands. I haven't carved pumpkins in like a very long time, so I'm excited.
Cut this thing up.
Is this a competition?
Oh yeah.
What the heck?
The same thing happened to me, dude. Yeah, here. We're good.
Some people like love this and this is their favorite part, but I hate this. It's so gross, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Mmm. Yummy. I feel like I'm gonna jack the skeleton's ass. Oh. My hand. Caden says this is a competition. Who can build the best build? Who can carve?
Carve the best pumpkin.
Which he doesn't even know, the artiste inside of me.
I'm about to smack Levi out.
Alright, I don't know what kind of design I'm going for here, but I'm probably just gonna go for like kind of like a standard basic one. Try to draw it out a little bit before I carve it in. I think this is turning out good. Yeah. So this is the design I'm going for here. If you guys can see it a little bit, maybe it's hard to see on the camera. Boom. All right. I mean, it's coming together. I mean, honestly, it is a little jank. I'm not gonna lie, but for my first time in like who knows how many years, I'm pretty proud. So we have Caden's here. We have mine. All right. I'm gonna say Caden's is more original. I gotta give it to him there. He's got the cigar in his mouth, looking stoned. And then mine you know, is a typical jack-o'-lantern.
So I think we won in different categories. So his is more, you know, scary, and mine's just more of like the porch pumpkin hanging out.
The porch pumpkin.
Yeah.
Before we start lighting up the jack-o'-lanterns, I do want to get a fire started because I'm hungry, and we have some broccoli and cheddar soup that we're going to cook over the fire, and then we have s'mores that we're going to cook. All right, on the menu tonight, we've got some Panera bread, broccoli and cheddar soup. Honestly, I didn't want to make it myself because this crap's just so good. We're gonna throw it in a pot, put it on the fire, let it heat up. We got also some tin foil and some bread, and we're gonna throw the bread in the tin foil, put it on the fire and let it toast. Then we're gonna have a nice little meal, and then afterwards we're gonna have s'mores. All right. Alright. Fold up the sides. Yeah.
All right, which one of us is gonna volunteer to grab it?
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Take it off first. You're gonna put it right here.
Can't grab it.
Ah, it's hot.
Ah, mother. Yeah. Grab it, Levi.
I got the tongs. Alright, let's
Dang
put
it, that hurt.
Yeah, dude, it's freaking hot stuff. I don't know what he was thinking.
Dude, I grabbed it.
It's hot metal on a fire. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah. Our bowls here. Literally, this stuff, I'm telling you, dude, I'm not sponsored by Panera Bread, but like, you should try some of this if you haven't. This is really easy to make, and all that you do is just pour it in a pot and warm it up. Alright, this is warm enough to eat. So, let's get the first scoop in here, bro.
I am literally so excited for this. Oh yeah. It's so literal good, guys. The bread.
Oh. Bro, you stole all the bread that's toasted. He already ate all the bread that was toasted. All he left me was this one. Is a burnt ass piece of bread. Dinner's served, right? Nice. And then we got, of course, some LaCroix. Let's try the soup first. Try it with the bread.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
this just ain't fair. Okay, as you can tell, we have a big mess here. So now I gotta clean all this up. Caden's getting the fire going again for the s'mores. That's the fun part of cooking, right? Is cleaning it up. Alright, since we got the fire going now, everything's cleaned up, we're gonna make some s'mores. We got marshmallows, the jet puffed marshmallows, of course. Just some Food Line brand graham crackers because, I don't know. And then, I mean, of course, Hershey's chocolate, right? Got your graham crackers, marshmallow. Oh, dropping some chocolate, man. Hey.
Hey.
All right, Little 2 squares. Well, yeah, I guess they're rectangles, but whatever.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, I gotta cook the thing, dude. Gosh.
You gotta cook it up, man. What are you doing?
Oh! All right, we caught it on fire a little bit. We got a little crusty. All right, take it, sandwich it, boom, and just like that, classic s'mores. This campsite's sick, man. I swear there's like infinite firewood around here, dude. I feel like I'm on creative mode in Minecraft. Normally we go camping and I have to like really look for firewood, like good dry firewood. I guess because normally we're camping at like higher elevations than this, so everything's a lot more moist and damp. All right.
What are you doing?
I dropped the freaking mark.
Pick it up.
It's in. It's dude. It's put it somewhere. What you thinking, Caden?
Fire feels good. It's not too cold out here. I'm loving the setup that we got on the truck. I'm loving it.
I know. It's great.
Very aesthetic.
I'm full on s'mores and soup. Man. Yeah, now we're just gonna sit out here and relax. Listen to the peace and quiet. It's nice.
You see it?
Yeah. Boom, boys, we're in. We're all in here, ready to go to sleep. It's really nice. The weather is nice. It's cool, but not super cold. It's not hot, it's not humid. Until Caden gets his truck going and gets his license, we got to sleep together.
Good news for Levi. I get my license in, I think it's 13 days.
Yeah.
Like 13 days. So soon
we'll be able to have our own beds.
And I know that y'all haven't seen the setup in mine yet, but I actually have my bed built in mine. So,
but we're just gonna hang out and go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, these pumpkins were fun, but I have no idea what we're gonna do with them. Last night, amazing sleep, best night of sleep I've had in this thing, honestly. We're packing up, getting everything ready, and we're gonna head home. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can click the video over here on Caden. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.